Hello and welcome to my channel Stat Academy. The statement of today's problem is the frequency distribution of expenditure of 1000 families is given below. The expenditure for different classes are given, and here we have two missing frequencies. Again we have given that the mean of the distribution is rupees 87.50. Determine the missing frequencies. So to find these two missing frequencies, first we say the missing frequencies are F2 and F4. Now we have to reconstruct the above table to find the value for total frequency and summation of Xi Fi. Now we can see that the classes are given as 40 to 59, 60 to 79. So here we have a gap between 59 and 60. To make it continuous, we have to find the class mark of these classes. So first, just take the new table for this. The first column should be class boundaries. The second column should be class mark, or we can rename it as Xi. The third column should be frequency or Fi, and the last column should be Xi multiplied by frequency Fi. So our class boundaries should be 39.5 to 59 plus 0.5, that means 59.5. Next, 59.5 to 79.5. The third class should be 79.5 to 99.5. Next, 99.5 to 119.5, and the last class should be 119.5 to 139.5. The class mark is the middle value of these two limits. That means the lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2, and it will give the value 49.5. The next should be 69.5, 89.5, 110.5 and 129.5. The frequencies are given as 50, F2, 500, F4, and the last frequency is 50. So we have total frequency 50 plus 500 plus 50, that means 600, plus F2 plus F4. Again Xi Fi will give the value 49.5 multiplied by 50, that means 2475. Next, 69.5 into F2. Next, 44750. 110.5 into F4, and the last one is 6475, and we have the summation of Xi Fi is 53700 plus 69.5 F2 plus 110.5 F4. Now we have given that the total number of frequency is 1000. So we can write that 600 plus F2 plus F4, that means total frequency is equals to 1000, or from here we can find F2 plus F4 equals to 1000 minus 600, that means equals to 400. Or we can write it f2 equals to 400 minus f4 and mark it as the equation number 1. Again, we have given that the mean of the distribution is 87.50. So again, we know that for frequency type data, the formula for mean is summation of xi fi divided by the total frequency summation of fi equals to 87.50. Now we can replace the value summation of xi fi with this value 53700 plus 69.5 f2 plus 110.5 f4 divided by the total frequency 1000, and that is equals to 87.50. Now we can write it as or 53700 plus 69.5 into 400 minus f4, we can write f2 as this, plus 110.5 f4 equals to 1000 multiplied by 87.50, that means 87500, or 53700 plus 69 multiplied by 400, that means 27800 minus 69.5 f4 plus 110.5 f4 equals to 87500, or 81500 plus 41 f4 equals to 87500, or 41 f4 equals to 875 minus 815, that means 60, or 6000, that means 6000, or f4 equals to 6000 divided by 41, that means 146.34. Again, we know that f2 equals to 400 minus f4, that is equals to 400 minus 146.34, that means equals to 253.66. Now these two frequencies f2 and f4 cannot take any fractional value as these are frequencies, so we should approximate this value to the nearest integer. So this will be approximated by 250, and the value of f4 should be approximated to 150. So these are two missing frequencies. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.